Hello everyone, myself Deepak Shah from New Catholic Mission School Jhabwa, and today's video is for class 11th subject mathematics chapter 2 relations and functions. So first we think about what is relation. What is relation? So relation are from set A, from non-empty set A to a non-empty set B is the subset of ordered pair of A cross B, A into B. Subset is derived as a relationship between first element and second element of ordered pair A into B. So this is the definition of relation. Relation R from non-empty set A to a non-empty set B is the subset of ordered pair of A into B, and subset is derived as relationship between first element and second element. So now we take example. Okay, so in example we take set A. This example is from your NCERT book. Set A is having elements A, B and C, and set B is having 5 elements: Ali, Bhanu, Binoy, Chandra, and 5th is Divya. So these are two sets. Here we write relation R from non-empty set A to a non-empty set B. So these are two non-empty sets. Set A is having 3 elements and set B is having 5 elements. Is the subset of ordered pair of A into B. So first we find ordered pair of this A into B. So what is the subset of A into B? A into B equals to all ordered pair. We write all ordered pair as A into Ali, A Ali, A Bhanu, and so on. Similar, A Binoy, A Chandra, A Divya, then B Ali, B Bhanu, B Binoy, and so on. And similarly C Ali, C Bhanu, C Binoy, C Chandra, and C Divya. So last we write as C Divya. So these are the ordered pairs of A into B, and relation is in between these ordered pairs. ना यहाँ पर लिखा है हमने subset of ordered pair of A into B. Subset of ordered pair. Subset means elements are in from this set. So how many ordered pairs are there in this A into B? There are 15 ordered pairs. How? 1, 2, 3. A is having 3 elements and B is having 5 elements. So A into B, 5 into 3 or 3 into 5. So there are 15 ordered pairs in A into B. Okay. So and subset is derived as relationship between first element and the second element of ordered pair. So this is the first element and this is the second element of ordered pair. So relation between this element and this element, इन दो elements के बीच में जो relation होगा, that is called relation R. Okay, so there are 2-3 things. First is domain. Okay, first is domain. What is domain? all first elements of in a relation of ordered pair. Okay, it means all first elements of the ordered pairs are called domain. This A, B, C. So these are the elements of domain. Here A, B, C are the domains, first elements. Okay, range. Then second is range. What is range? All second elements in a relation of ordered pair A into B. All the second elements, this Ali, Bhanu, Divya and all second elements are called range of this relation. And the third is codomain. Codomain, all elements of set B are called codomain. Okay, all elements of set B or set B is called codomain of relation this. So these are three important points, these three important things: domain, range and codomain. In exercise 2.2 we have to find domain, range and codomain in full exercise. So these three are very important. So now you understand what is relation, what is domain, range and codomain. Domain is all first elements of the ordered pair, range is all second elements of ordered pair and codomain is all elements of set B are codomain, are the set of codomain. Okay, so these are the terms which we use in next exercise. Okay, now this relation we have to write in pictorial form also. Okay, these are the relations and we write two sets, set A and set B. Set A has element ABC, here ABC, and set B has element Ali, Bhanu, Binoy, Chandra and Divya. Okay, so this set is called domain, this is called codomain and relation is from set A to set B. Set A से set B में जो relation होगा that is called R. So here the relation is A. We take one relation X, Y. X is the first letter of the name Y. Okay, it means X is the first letter and Y, here we take X are the elements of ABC and Y are the elements of this set. So X is the first letter of the name, first letter of the name. So A is the first letter of name and name started from A in Y is Ali. So relation A to Ali, A to Ali. Okay, and then B Bhanu and B Binoy, because there are two names starting with B in set Y or set B. So B Bhanu, B Binoy and C Chandra. So these are the relations. Okay, how many relations we have in any ordered pair? We have 2 to the power PQ elements, PQ relations. Okay, relations 2 to the power PQ. It means here we have 3 elements, so P equals to 3. Here in B we have 5 elements, so Q equals to 5. So how many relations in this example? We have 2 to the power PQ, it means 2 to the power 3 into 5, 2 to the power 15. There are 2 to the power 15 relations in this example, okay, in this ordered pair. So now you understand the concept of relations. Okay, relations can be described in two forms. There are two forms to write the relations. Okay, relations can be written in two forms. Okay, and these two forms are the forms of sets. Describe set in set builder form and roster form. So relations can be written in two forms, set builder form or roster form. And one more important thing, that range is subset or equal to codomain. Okay, this is very important point, and range is subset or equal to codomain. It means range is the part of codomain, set of codomain, or range is equal to codomain. Okay, so this is important point. Now we start exercise 2.2, question number 1, and whole 2.2 exercise is related with this domain, codomain, range and relations. So exercise 2.2, question number 1. Let A equals to 1, 2, 3 up to 14. A is a set having elements 1, 2, 3 up to 14. Define a relation R. Relation R. We have to define a relation R from A to A. It means there are no two sets A and B, no two sets. There is only one set, set A, and we have to find relation from A to A. It means domain is A and codomain is also A, and relation R is given as xy 3x minus y equals to 2 equals to 0, 3x minus y equals to 2, and xy belongs to A. It means x and y are the elements of set A, and this is the relation 3x minus y equals to 0. Okay, and write down its domain, codomain and range. So we have to find domain, codomain and range of this question. Here set A is given, relation is given, and we have to find domain, codomain and range. So relation is given as 3x minus y equals to 0, or we can write it as y equals to 3x. Okay, if we write y in RHS, then we get y equals to 3x. Okay, now what are the values of x? X is the first element of ordered pair. So we have 14 values of x. Values of x are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and so on up to 14. Okay, and value of y we get as, if we put 1 then we get 3, if we put 2 then we get 6, if we put 3 then we get 9, and if we put 4 then we get 12. Okay, and if we put 5 then we get 15, but set A is only having elements up to 14. So which are the elements of domain? So domain is from 1 to 14. Domain is 1 to 14, and codomain is also 1, 2, 3 up to 14. All elements of set A are the elements of codomain. And range is 3, 6, 9 and 12. Okay, these are for range. Why? Because if we put x as 5 then we get 15, so this is not a element of this set. So range is 3, 6, 9 and 12. Okay, so these are the domain, codomain and range of this question. Now next question, define a relation. Again a relation is given in question number 2. Define a relation R on the set n of natural number. Here the set of natural number n is given and the relation is given as r x y equals to x plus 5. Okay, x is natural number less than 4 is also given. X is natural number less than 4. Okay, so we have to find domain and range of this relation. So value of x is first element has value less than 4 and natural numbers. So natural numbers less than 4 are 1, 2, 3. It means we have to put y equals to x as 1. If we put 1, then we get y 6. Then we put 2, so y equals to 7. And then we put 3, then y equals to 8. Okay, so the ordered pair is 1. If we put 1, we get 6. If we put 2, then we get 7 and 3, 8. Okay, so the domain is 1, 2, 3 and range is 6, 7 and 8. Okay, these are the domain and range of this question. Now question number 3. Question number 3. A is the set 1, 2, 3, 5. There are 4 elements in set A and set B 4, 6, 9. Define relation R. There is a relation R from A to B by R equals to x, y. The difference between x and y is odd. So this is the relation. Okay, x belongs to A. Here also they gave x belongs to A and y belongs to B. X are the elements of A and y are the elements of B. So write R in roster form. Relation, we have to write this relation in roster form. Okay, so x are the elements of set A, it means 1, 2, 3, 5 and y are the elements of set B 4, 6 and 9 and the relation is given as the difference between x and y is odd. Difference means subtraction, minus. So 1, 4. Why? Because 1 minus 4 or 4 minus 1 is always odd, 3 or minus 3. So 1, 4 is the relation. Then 1, 6. 1, 6 is also odd. 1 minus 6 or 6 minus 1. Then 1 minus, not 1 minus 9. Then 2 minus 9. And 2, 4 is even. 2, 6 is even. 2, 9 is odd. Then 3, 4. 3 minus 4, 4 minus 3, 3 minus 6, 3 minus 9 is even, therefore we not take this. 5 minus 4, 5 minus 6 and 5 minus 9 is 4 which is even, so we not take 5, 4. Okay, so these are the relations 1, 4, this is odd, 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 odd and odd. So this is the roster form of relation. Roster form of relation R. Question number 3. Now next question. Question number 4. Figure 2.7. There is one figure given. 5, 6 and 7 are 3 elements of this A and 3, 4, 5 are the elements of Q. There are 2 sets and first we have to write it as set builder form. Relation we have to write in set builder form. These are the relations. So we take x and y, two elements of ordered pair, where x equals to or y equals to x minus 2. Okay, where x is greater than 4 and less than 8. Okay, it means if we put x as 5, then 5 minus 2 is 3, we get this. If we put x equals to 6, because x is more than 4 and less than 8. So if we put 6, then 6 minus 2, 4, and 7 minus 2, 5. So this is the set builder form of this relation, and roster form is very easy. If we put x as 5, then we get 3, 6, then we get 4, and 7, then we get 5. So this is the roster form. Okay. Now next question. Question number 6. Determine the domain and range. Determine the domain and range of relation R defined as. R is defined as x plus 5. Here these are the ordered pairs. This is x and this is x plus 5. And elements are given as x belongs to 0, 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. Okay. This is the relation. So we have to find domain and range of this relation. So domain is value of x is 1 to 5, 0 to 5. So domain is 0, 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. And range, if we put 0, all second elements of the set are called range. So if we put 0 here, then we get 5. If we put 1, then we get 6. If we put 2, 7, 8, 3, 8, 4, then 9 and 5, then 10. So these are the range of relation. Okay. And similarly, question number 7 is also very easy. Relation is given as x cube, x and x cube. These are the domain and these are the range. X is a prime number less than 10. Prime number less than 10. Okay. So prime numbers less than 10 are 2, 3, 5 and 7. So if we put 2 here, then here also we write 2. So 2 cube means 8. This is the first ordered pair. Then 3 is also prime number. So if we put 3, then 3 cube as 27. 5 is also prime number. So 5 cube is 125. And 7 is also prime. So 7 cube is 343. Okay. So these are the 4 prime numbers 2, 3, 5, 7 which are less than 10. So domain is 2, 3, 5 and 7 and range is 8, 27, 125 and 343. All second elements are range and all first elements are domain of this relation. Now question number 8, let A is equals to xyz and B is equals to 1, 2. There are two sets, A equals to xyz and B equals to 1, 2. These are 3 elements, this is having 2 elements. So find the number of relations from A to B. Number of relations. So number of relations we know that 2 to the power pq. Here p is 3 and q is 2. So 2 to the power 6 are the total number of relations in question number 8. Okay. A is having 3 elements, B is having 2 elements. Number of relations are 2 to the power pq. P P is 3, Q is 2. So 2 to the power 3 into 2, it means 2 to the power 6 are the total number of relations from A to B. Now last question of this exercise, let R be the relation from Z. Question number 9. Last question of this exercise, let R be the relation on Z. Z is integer. Defined as R is given as AB. AB belongs to Z. A minus B is integer. This is the relation. Okay. So find domain and range. Domain and range of this relation. So domain is, if A and B are both integer, then the domain is also integer. Okay. If we subtract integer from integer, then we get integer, and range is also integer Z. Why? Because if we subtract A minus B, then we get Z. So these are the domain and range of question number 9, which is relation of integers, and AB belongs to Z, A minus B is an integer. So domain is Z, Z means integer, and range is also Z. So this is all about exercise 2.2. Okay, thank you.